Not every URL you visit can be classified as a website, so your business needs to know exactly the difference and what it means for you and your customers. Today we'll look at some of the differences between a website and a website application.
Now this is a story in fundamentals.
Now, between websites and website applications, there's really no difference for an end user. They'll simply go to a web browser and type in the address and their URL, and they'll get to the destination and think nothing of it. You can call that whatever you want. The only real thing that matters is that the end user of your website does what it's actually supposed to do. End of story. But from a more technical perspective, there are some distinct differences between websites and web applications. Keep in mind that even in here, you'll find some conflicting opinions amongst professionals. Now, as a general rule, you can use the following guidelines. Websites. Websites are typically informational in nature. Think about your favorite website or your favorite blog. Maybe it's a news-based website. That website's primary purpose is to convey information to the end user, whether it's in the form of news, recipes, sports scores, you name it. As a general rule, there is little or no interaction on the part of the visitor other than possibly submitting an email address to receive a monthly newsletter or perhaps performing a search. So the real question is, how does this apply to you? Well, if you're a local charity who wants to convey information, only a homepage, an about page, contact information, upcoming events, and maybe a description of how you helped a cause, a website probably is the only thing that you'll need. Web applications, in contrast, are usually responsible for some type of interaction with your visitors rather than just reading news and submitting an email. Yes, they'll still be supplying information, but your visitors may want to do something else with that information that you've given them. Through interaction, many users may request a different type of information or even manipulate the information or data they've been given on the screen. A specific example of a web application could be your local library website. This particular website would allow you to search their inventory of books and make a reservation for said book. Your online banking is also a web application. It displays the information and performs action based on you, the user's input. Now let's refer back to our local charity as an example. Only this time, they require that visitors are able to register, place bids, and pay for items in a charitable online auction. Now, does that all make sense? Let us know if you have any further questions. We'd be happy to help you get clear about what your company's online needs are and help you understand what's the right direction for your business. As a bonus, you can grab our free resource down in the bottom, 4 ways your company can benefit from building a web application. We hope you enjoyed this video, so be sure to like it or click a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.
Now this is a story in fundamentals. Pure fundamental principles. And all my niggas know what I'm talking about.